Hello, my beautiful people. I'm getting ready to meet with this sister tribe. I'm so excited. So I thought maybe I would share with you what I'm going to do to prepare my space so that I can meet with my sisters in the best of spirits. I'm looking forward to seeing them very shortly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my space with some um, incense. And this is this purple incense, uh, bergamot and lavender. I don't know. I like it. It smells good. So I'm going to light this. And just bless the space. Bless myself. I know my witch friends all do it in a certain way, but Spirit knows that I'm just full of chaos and just go any which way. So I'm blessing the space, blessing the computer and the keyboard. I'm going to put this in its holder. There we go. I'm going to turn on this light. Look, you can see me now. Oh. And I have a candle here, and I'm going to set this with intention just for light and love. Also special intentions for my cousin Eric, for my neighbor Susan, who just lost her husband, and for my colleague Kathy, who just lost her daughter. So we light that candle just as a reminder that we're in space now. Like, this is space that we're in. I'm going to pull some runes just so that I know where Spirit wants me to be mindful. I'm not going to do the camera thing because I didn't set it up that way. So just pulling out my Iona stones and my Icelandic stone and my Green Man stone. Alright, so I'm just going to pick a stone. Today I went on a journey, on an adventure with Dave to Gettysburg, which is 2.5 hours away. Pick something up. It was fun though. Went to a place that we really like to eat called Esther's. It's one of those places that's really good to eat, but it's kind of like too far that you wouldn't just go there. You go there when you're on the way to something. Like when I'm out on my way out west. I live in northeastern Pennsylvania. All right, Spirit, one rune for something to keep in mind while I'm hanging out with my sisters. Oh, you want me to take this one? Here's this one. Oh, it's the Humanity Stone. Mannaz. And that means humanity. And that's really what we're doing, right? It's the sisterhood. We're getting together to put the world to rights. And that's a fun thing to do. But it's good for our soul, as I mentioned in yesterday's video. There aren't a whole lot of people. I'm very fortunate because I have a person, Nav, who she and I are both into this stuff. So I have a local person to do this kind of thing with. But a lot of people don't. And so the YouTube community has been great in connecting us because, we're from all over the world, really. And the sisterhood gets bigger. It's awesome. Like, it's just awesome. I think I'm the oldest one in the group. Like the aunt, I'm a crazy aunt in real life, so it's fun that I'm the crazy aunt, I think, of this group too. I think I am the oldest one. But it's just good to have like-minded people that you can speak freely and not worry that people are going to think you're kooky. Most people are so sweet to me, and they're like, oh, she's so nice. She's such a nice lady. She is kooky. It's all right. I've been kooky my whole life. I'm okay with it. But it's nice to be amongst a whole group of us that we're all kooky, and it's all good. So, we're going to pull cards tonight. I don't know what Spirit is going to have me do. I think Spirit will probably have me pull runes, because that's my thing. But I'm happy with the I feel like I should pull at least one deck of cards. One deck of cards, I think. I'm needing one deck. Go with my old standards. Let's see. Oh, do we hear the meowing of the cat? This is Dash. Dash loves humans. Dash does not love other cats. So I have to put him up before we have our sisterhood meeting because I don't want to have to break up cat fights. I did that yesterday, and you can't see this, but I have scratches all down my face and all down my boob and all down my stomach. I have scratches, and everybody's like, "You're gonna get cat scratch fever." So we'll keep an eye on that. So far, so good. My husband says, "You've had cats your whole life and been scratched a lot." Yesterday, I got in between a fight between two cats because I had to pull them apart. Not a fun thing to do. Nope. Dash. Come here, buddy. All right, 3 passes. Then I have to go get the cat from wanting to go down in the basement where the other cats are. Pass 1. Pass 2. Anything, Spirit, that we should consider in the Sisterhood Collective? Pass 3. Okay, no cards came out. So perhaps I didn't need a card, but maybe Spirit just wants me to have these cards out for later. All right, I am wishing you all the best in light and love. Sisters, I can't wait to see you. See you soon. Bye-bye.